Welcome to this body scan meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your chest expand, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Let your breath guide you into a calm and relaxed state. With each inhale, feel a sense of calm entering your body, and with each exhale, let go of any stress or tightness. Now, bring your attention to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations here. As you breathe out, imagine a soft wave of relaxation washing over your scalp and forehead, smoothing away tension. Move your focus to your face. Relax the muscles around your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Feel your face becoming soft and calm. Shift your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Notice if there is any tightness here. With every exhale, feel your shoulders drop away from your ears, letting go of any tension. Bring your attention to your arms, all the way down to your fingertips. Feel their weight and allow them to rest heavily and comfortably. Now, focus on your chest. Notice the rise and fall with each breath. Let your breath create space and calm in this area, releasing any tension or heaviness. Move your attention to your stomach and abdomen. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath here. If there is any tightness, imagine it softening with every exhale. Bring your focus to your lower back and hips. These areas often hold stress. As you breathe out, let go of any tension, feeling your body become more grounded and relaxed. Now, shift your awareness to your legs, from your thighs to your knees, calves, and finally your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Allow any stress to flow away, leaving your legs feeling light and at ease. Take a moment now to bring your attention to your entire body. Notice how it feels as a whole, relaxed, calm, and peaceful. Imagine your breath flowing gently through every part of your body, bringing a sense of balance and harmony. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly bring movement back to your body by wiggling your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. If this practice helped you feel more at peace and relaxed, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments and inspire others on their mindfulness journey. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.